Hey, what's going on? It's Eric Tech Stuffs and Louis Rossman in the background. Let me pause that. Sorry. If you don't follow Louis Rossman, I do. It's a tech channel here, Eric Tech Stuff, somewhat. But anyway, in any regard, yeah, it's a good channel to follow. Go ahead and give him a like. He's the guy that's doing the right repairs. Kind of against Apple, but against everything, really. It's kind of interesting. Sam Photofax is a thing of the past. You used to have the right to repair your own stuff. Now you've got to find people. It's not cool. Not cool. You got to find licensed people that can find the parts. They can't even get the parts. Anyway, want to let you know that the Emperor did sell. The combo I did have up on the channel. Did update the listing on that so it shows that it's sold. But yeah, the Emperor TS5010, beautiful radio and beautiful matching power supply. Very rare setup, and one of the things that was kind of going to waste sitting here in my channel, so I wanted to get it out to someone and talk to a gentleman a little bit back and forth on Messenger. Very nice gentleman named Chad. He's getting it in Wisconsin, so I can't wait to hear him on the air. We haven't had conditions in Wisconsin, but I can't wait. I got his number on my tab here to be able to hear him. If he calls out, I want to be able to get back to him, man. It'd be great to see these radios that I'm selling off to go to good use. They're not doing me any good sitting here, and they're doing people like Chad really good use. When he gets that radio, I'm going to ship that out as soon as I can. Easter holiday kind of may fluctuate. I like to get everything out as soon as possible to everybody. It's not something I like to hold on to. As soon as I get the money, I try and get it out the exact day. If I get it in the mail, it hasn't ran yet, I'll try and run that mail person down to get that package to them. So I want to get it to you as quick as I can. Any regard, I'm going to go ahead and get to what I was going to talk about real quick. Just had that come up real quick before I did the video. So go ahead, Eric. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's Eric Tech Stuffs back with you again here. I hope y'all enjoyed my kind of after April Fool's joke. Yes, I'm still on the bands. I had these I was pulling out and just playing around with. But yeah, fun little story time with Eric Tech Stuffs. But when I was going through these, I ended up popping up one. Of course, nothing goes easy and simply to sell. I must have left a battery in one of these. So yeah, I got one apart. It's real easy to do. You just take this back off. This little thumb thing slides off. You get to the one screw there, and then you just basically pry around. I always do it right under with a wedge tool, and you can do it with a plastic wedge tool so you don't damage the board because it's right there. But you can do that one time, this pops up, and then it's real easy to maneuver. Of course, everything pops apart. Inside the basic unit here, look at that. Got 3 crystals. Man, alright, we got a 164110, we got the 10245 and reference, and then we got the 139130. But yeah, like I said, I was just trying to get these up, making sure they look good. Looks like it's from, I would say that date code on this, it's 7A2. If you don't know the Radio Shack date code, it's month, A, and then the last digit of the year. Now they did that throughout their whole time, so it could be it's not an 82, I mean technology-wise, but a 92 for sure. It's not a 2002 because I don't think they were still doing this in this style any longer. But yeah, that's the easiest way to do it is month A is always A. It's always been A. So it's month A and then the last digit of the year manufacturer. So it could be, you know, different products they kept around. 7A2 could have been 92, 2002. You know, you see what I'm saying. Anyway, what I got to do here is fix this connector. Of course, it got a battery corroded issue. Pop this off, and it corroded enough to point. You know, this is a little cardboard backing. So, oh, wanted to let you know, yeah, my hands look like I was stuck doing a touching the inside of a cathode tube on a television, old television set. How do I know? Yes, I did that before, and that's kind of what it looked like. But I was working on my smoker, got some injuries, so my beautiful, delicate hands are not what they used to be. So please apologize. Take my apologies for watching that. But yeah, so I went ahead and grabbed a pack of those. Pretty cheap. I'm a nice guy. I want to sell stuff off to people that are going to actually, you know, use the stuff. So I want it to be functional. So we'll just pull one out here real quick, real simple. These are actually better than what these are because they're cardboard backing. This is actually a plastic backing, so they'll get an upgrade. Go ahead and change this out for whoever would get to enjoy this beautiful radio. Everything else in it's great, good condition, especially for being a children's toy. Anyway, sat in the box for so many years. It's almost the same here, so we'll just mimic it. We'll go ahead and desolder this. Real easy to work on this through-hole stuff. It's always fun to go back to this old stuff with through-hole. I'm an SMDs, just getting headaches, man. You're sitting there with tweezers and microscopes. That's why I love the old stuff. But yeah, we'll go ahead and replace this. But yeah, not a big super tech video, but I'll be back. And there we are with Magic. Very simple, very easy. I always notice a different smell when you work on Radio Shack boards. I don't know if it's you or if it's me. It's me, Eric. It's me. Come on now. Anyway, this one's fixed. Got this out. Throwing this in the trash. I love throwing stuff in the trash. The more I can throw stuff in the trash, the better off I am. So I'm trying to unhoard all this stuff. So yeah, this is another one ready to go with a beautiful upgrade. Well, they won't even probably notice, but I want to put it out right so I sleep at night. All right, 73. We'll see you in the next video. Hopefully something kind of fun. Kind of been lackluster for quite some time, but hey, man, I gotta get some stuff out of my shack. It's very, very suffocating. So anyway, we'll see you in the next one. Thank you again for stopping by. Sub up. Throw a comment down below, thumbs up, I don't care. But anyway, thank y'all so much, and we'll see you in a better video down the road. I keep saying that, but eventually it's going to happen, right, guys? Eventually. I know y'all sticking with me. We'll get there.